with dumb ways to die. Step new. Okay, what are you doing now? What are you doing? It says a Roman rod is very dangerous, man. Now how to do it. Hello, I'm the pig, and I was with the widow. Are you sure you can actually do this? Yes, on the book. 137,000.
Ay, kasi buka. Okay.
Uh-oh, what's happening? I don't know what. Okay, it's a rocket launcher. That's so dangerous, man. Nah, it's 100% safe. See? Uh-oh. Bah! I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Hello, I'm the police and I'm going to rescue for Twitter. Now we have a fight now. Hello. I'll do this. I can do this. Please, I can do this. I'll like. Here, let's
Makaano ba? Doon ka magbulig kay
I can actually wait. How I managed that alive that was still the same as once happened. Do this 800 times I can.
Di ba si Marlene mayroong ano, mayroong culture, no?
May nagkuha. Trabahan ka din na matay nito.
Now Gold is dead and when covering the fire.
Maali.
Wait a minute.
Panibinda ng putukan.
Nagdabay ko gani. Pag si Marlene may
Yeah. Wow, everybody. I think I've seen